Hello, hello students. Today we will learn how to draw bar graphs. Yesterday we have learned these vehicles and number of vehicles. Name of vehicles I have given on x-axis and number of vehicles on y-axis. And from this bar graph we can give me information about the number of vehicles, how many vehicles are there easily because of bar graph. Then now we have to solve this practice set 18. See this bar graph. The bar graph shows the maximum temperature in degree Celsius in different cities on a certain day in February. Observe the graph and answer the questions. I have drawn this on graph paper. See this. Here is the temperature. Here is the temperature I have shown on y-axis, and on x-axis there is the name of cities, that is Pachgani, Pune, Chandrapur, Matheran and Nashik. Here this scale on y-axis I have given 1 unit on 5 degrees Celsius. I will ask question, that is what data shown in vertical and horizontal line. In vertical they have shown temperature, and on horizontal they show city, name of cities. Then second question is, which city had the highest temperature? Observe this. This is the highest temperature. Which city? Chandrapur. Then we have to write Chandrapur city had the highest temperature. Which cities had equal maximum temperature? Maximum temperature which has equal? This one. See this. This one is this. That is 30. Which cities? Pune and Nashik. Then we have to write Pune and Nashik cities had equal maximum temperature. Then fourth question, which cities had a maximum temperature of 30? That is Nashik and maximum temperature. Okay, Nashik and Pune. Next question, what is the difference between the maximum temperature of Pachgani and Chandrapur? Pachgani has temperature 25 and this Chandrapur has temperature 35. Difference between these two, 35 minus 25, that is 10 degree Celsius. Okay, then we have to complete practice set 18. Then how to draw this drawing bar graph. Types, and here let us, here this example, name of plants, number of plants, mogra, jai, hibiscus and chrysanthemum they have given. And take a graph paper, in the center write the title, type and number of plants, then draw x and y axis and mark 0 their point of intersection, and write the names of plants on x axis at equal distance. The number of plants is divisible by 5, so take the scale 0.5 centimeter is equal to 5 plants, and y axis, that is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 plants. Write the scale in the top right hand corner. See, I have drawn these types and number of plants. At the middle I have wrote the types and number of plants. Here scale on y axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 plants, and in y axis I have given the names of plants, mogra, jai, hibiscus and chrysanthemum, and y axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 plants, 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, then there are some plants. Observe this graph. Mogra, how many plants? 70 plants. Jai, 50 plants. Hibiscus, they have given 45, that is 40 and 50. After 5 lines count it, and then that is 45 plants. And chrysanthemum, that is 80 plants. In this type, we have had drawn this graph as they have given information. Okay, the next one, see in your on your book there is a, they have also drawn and I have also drawn, and from this every bar in the graph should be equal width. Equal width चाहिए थे, like this. I have also that equal width. देखो, the distance between any two adjacent bars should be equal. That is, this should be equal width also, distance between, and all bars should be appropriate height. Okay, then we have to solve practice set 19 tomorrow. Now we have to solve practice set 18. For this we have to draw this bar graph, and also we have to draw bar graph. How to draw I have explained now. आता मी जसं सांगितलं त्याप्रमाणे प्रॅक्टिस सेट 18 मधला एक ग्राफ काढा, त्याच्यावरचे प्रश्नांची उत्तरं लिहा. नाहीतर अगोदर फक्त बार ग्राफ ऑब्झर्व करा आणि राईट डाऊन क्वेश्चन आन्सर्स, अँड देन ड्रॉइंग अ बार ग्राफ. हाऊ टू ड्रॉ त्यांनी सांगितलं त्याप्रमाणे काढा, आणि आता मी एक्सप्लेन केलं त्याप्रमाणे तुम्हाला ते करायचं आहे. समजलं तुम्हाला? ओके, थँक्यू.